How to change YouTube username on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your YouTube account username on your mobile. Now the process is simple. First you want to open up YouTube. You should get on the face like this. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and you should be headed into this option right now. Here you can see the very first option, your channel. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on your channel option, you'll get on the face like this. Now you can see the manage videos option. Beside it you can see the statistics option, and beside it you can see the pencil icon, right, the edit icon. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the first option that says name, and you can see the second name that says second option that says handle. Now basically that handle option is your username. In order to change it, you can simply tap on the pencil icon beside it, and then you'll be able to change it. Simply tap on change and you'll be able to save it, and this your username will be changed. So this is the way you can change your YouTube username on mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.